Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm going to presentation the report about of coronavirus. The new coronavirus COVID-19 has been classified by the World Health Organization as a public health emergency of international importance. Cases have been identified in all the countries, and on March 6, the first case was confirmed in Colombia, where there are currently 317A, yes, confirmed case of infection in this country. Infection occurs when a sick person, kills or sneezes and expels virus particles that come in contact with the other person or with other people. This mission is similar among acute respiratory infections. Likewise, in Colombia, they have taken preventive measures such as quarantine, which is mandatory, where all the citizens have to stay at home until April 13, just preventing the well-being of age of the Colombians. However, Bogota has present economic and social impacts due to this health crisis. In the same way, Colombian President Iván Duque announced that this measure seeks to protect ourselves as a society. Quarantine, food supplies, access to medicines, as quiet provision of essential public service, as well as just essential for the operation of society, ensuring that it is a measure for health and life. Similar, the Ministry of Health advised that the most effective measure to prevent COVID-19 is to wash your hands, preferably with soap and water. Doing so frequently reduces the risk of contracting coronavirus by up to 50%. Likewise, other daily preventive measures are recommended to help prevent the spread of respiratory diseases, such as we have 4 recommendations. Okay, the first one is about close contact with sick people. And when sneezing, cover to stay with the side of your elbow. And third, if you have cold symptoms, stay home and wear face mask. And the last one, clean and disinfect negative touched objects and surfaces.